Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, February the 15th, 2023. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle number 5968. 5968. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. I believe here should be the 4th one. And 4 O's. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty boxes. And I need a 1 in one of these 5. So it should be in the middle. Because then here we have 2 O's. And there we have 2 O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Alright. Double. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then 2, 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. 2 we have here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. Double 1. Here no, there no. 3. Oh, wait. Yeah, we have also 3 O's and 3 1s. Then. Think. Come on. Well, we have 1 completed column, and it looks like this one. Yeah, look. Yeah, here we have double 1. Here we have a 1, and the 4th one should be there. Well, can I place the 1 there? Otherwise, we will have identical columns. So the 1 should be here, and the O goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Need to think again. Looks like easy, but need to think. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. Wow. We have 1 row completed, and it looks like this one, yeah. Alright. Oh, empty box. 1, 1, 1, empty box. Need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have O. correction, this one. Yeah, not this one. Otherwise I will make another mistake today. Made a big mistake with the Sudoku in the additional. Yeah. Alright. So we have an O here. This should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between two O's comes in 1. Yeah. Now we have 3 ones. If I place I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be no. Of course, between two O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Overlooked. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So that box should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4, and I know between an O and a 1 in this column with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. First O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3. Here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. 110. Well, 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? 1001. This column, second column, and last column. 110011 empty box. Empty box. 1. Need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And now here. Compare again. Here. Nope. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow. Yeah, almost made a mistake. Well, need to compare twice, I believe. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.